Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm a bit late in uploading this video for you because I have been busy preparing to give you a sneak peek of something truly transformative that will enhance the benefits of your Dry January challenge. Now, for those who don't know about Dry January, it's a public health initiative where you remove alcohol from your diet during the month of January. And this week, I'll be revealing my 10-day detox plan reset designed especially for Dry January. Now, if you've been waiting for the perfect way to kickstart your health in the new year, this is it. So let's talk about what you can expect, why this plan is so effective, and how it's going to make a real difference for your body, mind, and overall well-being. Now, the plan is so easy to follow with clear step-by-step guidance. No complicated routines or guesswork, just simple, effective actions you can take every day. So, everything you need is included, from daily meal plans and nourishing recipes right down to the specific herbs required to detox your liver, support your gut, and boost your energy. It's all there, mapped out for you. Now, the plan includes satisfying whole food plant-based meals that are nutrient dense and delicious. So there are carefully selected herbs like dandelion root, turmeric, and marshmallow root to support your liver, guts, and overall detox pathways. So pairing Dry January with this detox plan amplifies those benefits. Just imagine reduced sugar cravings, better sleep, clearer skin, more energy and focus. And it's not just about what you're cutting out, it's about what you're gaining. A fresh start, a reset, and a path to healthier habits that last long after January. In fact, those who start out the new year with healthier habits are less likely to resort back to older habits easily. Also, detoxing is better together. So you can feel free to join our Telegram group of like-minded health seekers. It's where you'll find accountability, tips, and encouragement, and you can share your progress with others on the same journey. You're never alone in this, and in fact, you can join there now by clicking the link in the description below. So for those already on their health journey who simply just want to find organic and well-crafted herbs that you can trust, you can get 50% off at naturalworkshops.com for responsibly sourced high-quality herbs. The link is also in the description below. So, you may be asking, where do I begin to make a fresh start? Now, if you're ready to make a fresh start and get prepared for January, here's what to do next. Come back to my channel for the full reveal of the 10-day detox plan reset, and join our Telegram group for accountability, support, and encouragement. And don't forget, if you're just looking for responsibly sourced, high quality, organic and well-crafted herbs, remember naturalworkshops.com, source the best high quality herbs that you can buy and take advantage of the 50% off discount for your first time purchase to get you started. But come back tomorrow and make sure that you hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I'm going to be launching the 10-day detox plan. I'll be giving you the details. So I'm so excited for you to join me on this journey and make January the beginning of your healthiest and most vibrant year yet. So together we'll reset, rejuvenate, and start this year strong. So thank you so much for watching. And if you're excited about the reveal, hit the notification button so you don't miss it, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more natural solutions for your well-being. And I'll see you tomorrow. For now, Stay happy, be healthy, and always